Hello, this is Barbara with Kaizink, and today I want to go through the collections process for Corebridge customers. When you log into Corebridge, you would then come over here to the Reports tab and go to Customers and Receivables. You want to go to this first report and go to Detail by Customer. This is going to bring up a report that shows all outstanding invoices by customer. Shows you that there are 8 pages in this report. If you look at aging type, it tells you if the invoice is current or if it's past due. I like to go through here and make note of invoices that are past due. For instance, for this Bankerson's insulation, I would write down that invoice number. I would go through pretty much all of these. For I would not, because they're pretty much all past due. When you have one invoice that is past due, the first thing you want to do is take a look at that customer and see who the salesperson is. I like to send that salesperson a list of all of the invoices that they have past due with customers, because they may know something we don't. However, when it's a situation such as this where you're seeing a number of invoices past due, I would still lob a question to the sales rep, but if the sales rep tells you, to go ahead and try and collect on it, the very first thing that I would do with this one would be to send a statement telling the customer that we have all of these invoices past due and we want to make sure that we haven't missed something, and ask for a specific date of when these invoices expect to get paid. And I would do that even on ones where there's 2 or 3 past due, with the very first thing, again, of asking them if we may have missed a payment, because that does happen. We receive payments through ACH direct to the bank account. We receive payments direct through Corebridge. We receive payments by customers calling in with a credit card, by coming in with a check, or coming in with a credit card. And there is always a possibility of us missing something. So let's always first start from a customer service point of view that it could be us. Then we can take it next step from there. Thank you so much for watching.